SDG14, the Big Questions. Where did it begin?
Have you ever thought about how important our oceans are for the planet?
Absolutely. Oceans cover 2/3 of the Earth's surface and play a huge role in regulating our climate.
Right. They absorb carbon dioxide and help manage atmospheric temperatures, which is crucial for climate balance.
And let's not forget that over 3 billion people depend on marine biodiversity for their livelihoods.
Exactly. Fisheries alone employ over 200 million people, showing how vital oceans are to our economy.
But sadly, human activities are threatening these ecosystems. Pollution from chemicals and overfishing are major issues.
It's alarming. Pollution from phosphates, oil, and nitrates is damaging marine life and habitats.
Not to mention acidification from increased CO2 absorption, which harms species' immune responses and leads to coral bleaching.
Did you know our oceans contain around 36 million tons of blue whales and 379 million tons of Antarctic krill?
That's incredible! But we need to protect these species and their habitats to maintain that biodiversity.
Marine conservation is essential for restoring damaged ecosystems and ensuring we understand the balance of life underwater.
Yes. It's crucial that we take steps to limit human-caused damage and establish protective policies for our oceans. Why does this issue matter? The oceans contribute around $28 trillion to the global economy each year.
That's incredible. But I heard they're really vulnerable to things like pollution and overfishing.
Yes, and protecting them is crucial for maintaining ecosystems and biodiversity.
What do you mean by ecosystems? Are they all connected?
Definitely. River basins, coral reefs, and even the atmosphere are part of the hydrological system.
And pollution can affect these systems even far from where it starts, right?
Exactly. Since the Industrial Revolution, oceans have absorbed about 1/3 of the CO2 from human activities.
So, protecting our oceans also helps regulate climate change?
Yes, and we need stronger policies to ensure our water ecosystems are safeguarded.
What kind of policies are we talking about?
We should invest in scientific research and technologies to minimize acidification and overfishing.
That sounds important for coastal communities too.
Absolutely. Sustainable practices can help them thrive while protecting the oceans. Who and what are affected? Sewage and industrial chemicals are major contributors to ocean pollution.
And let's not forget land runoff and oil spills. They really take a toll on marine life.
Right. And when pollutants enter the ocean, they disrupt ecosystems like coral reefs and seaweed.
Exactly. Depleted oxygen levels can lead to hypoxic zones, which are bad for marine species.
Did you know that algae blooms from fertilizer runoff can cause these hypoxic areas?
Yes. And it's not just the ocean that suffers. Our population is affected too.
True. Contaminated fish can accumulate toxic substances like mercury and microplastics.
When we eat those fish, we risk our health with diseases like Parkinson's and heart disease.
It's alarming how interconnected our health is with ocean health.
The oceans provide us so much, yet we often take them for granted.
We really need to be more mindful and respect our ecosystems for future generations. What needs to be done? To repair our oceans, we really need to increase international cooperation to protect vulnerable habitats.
And investing in research is crucial too. We need to sustainably harvest our marine resources.
Exactly. Even small changes in our daily lives can help stop contamination in marine ecosystems.
It's all about managing our impact. Good governance and public accountability can really make a difference.
For sure. Illegal fishing and overfishing are major threats to ocean health. We need to address those industries.
And we can pressure decision makers to choose sustainable paths through our choices.
Healthy oceans are vital for healthy humans. They sustain life on Earth.
Right. Protecting key ecosystems and marine protected areas can help restore biodiversity.
But only 3.4% of our oceans are currently protected. That's a huge issue.
We really need to encourage representatives to develop policies for more MPAs.
And we must start with ourselves if we want to improve our oceans. It all begins at home.
If researchers develop sustainable renewable resources, we can learn to recycle better too.
Social actions like reducing fossil fuel usage and cleaning our beaches can have a big impact.